Meiosis Project by Elena, Gia, Eugenia, and Sean. What is meiosis? Meiosis is a process of cellular division in which one parent cell divides into 4 daughter cells. These cells are gametes, or sex cells. These gametes are used to make a new organism using sexual reproduction. If mitosis was used to synthesize gametes, the offspring would have double the chromosomes of the parents. Using meiosis, the offspring will have the same amount of chromosomes as their parents, which is why meiosis is used to create gametes. In interphase, our first phase, the DNA is duplicated, the cells behave normally, and they keep growing. The picture below is an example of interphase. In the next phase, prophase 1, the chromosomes condense, the nucleus breaks down, centrioles and spindle fibers form, and the homologous pairs of chromosomes find each other. Homologous pairs are the chromosomes that contain information about the same genes with different traits. For example, the 2 homologous pairs could both contain information that determines hair color, but the 2 chromosomes could contain traits for black hair and blonde hair. The next phase, metaphase 1, are where the tetrads, homologous pairs of chromosomes, line up in the center of the cell. Then the spindle fibers attach to each chromosome. In anaphase 1, the spindle fibers retract, pulling the homologous pairs to opposite sides of the cell. Anaphase begins when the homologous chromosome starts moving away from each other and ends with the chromosomes reach opposite sides of the cell. In our next phase, telophase 1, nuclei begin to form around the chromosomes and spindle fibers and centrioles break down. And when cytokinesis is also displayed in this picture, where the cytoplasm and cell membranes break apart and make 2 completely different cells. After the parent cells split into 2, meiosis 2 begins and is almost identical to mitosis. In prophase 2, the genes in the cells are already condensed from meiosis 1. Spindle fibers and centrioles are formed, and the nucleus envelopes disappear. In metaphase 2, the chromosomes line up at the center of the cell, and spindle fibers are attached to the centromeres. This leads us to our second phase, anaphase 2. The sister chromatids are pulled to opposite poles of the cell by the spindle fibers, which can be seen in the picture below. In telophase 2 and cytokinesis 2, the sister chromatids arrive at the opposite poles and nuclear envelopes reappear. In cytokinesis 2, the cells split again during cytokinesis. At the end of meiosis, you get 4 gametes that have half of the normal amount of chromosomes. Moreover, meiosis increases genetic diversity, which helps humans as a race to evolve over time. It is also great for changing environments that may not benefit the organism. Gia and Sean are the makers of the script. Eugenia and I are the presenters, and we also picked pictures. Thank you for watching.